Welcome back, guys. Gene and GNS Designs. I've got the Mazda RX-8 here. So here's what it looks like before, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. So here, stay tuned. Guys, welcome back. This is Gene, and I brought Daryl from Detail by D. He's going to tell us a little bit about what he's going to do. I talked to Herman about doing some work on his headlight because it really needed some work. I mean, take a look at it. It's pretty foggy looking there. So this guy right here, Daryl, right?
Yep.
He's going to tell us about what he's going to do. What you doing, Daryl?
All right, what we're doing is I got the hood propped up, masking all the paintwork off so that way I could do a two-step sanding process. Along after that, there's a scratch remover that will take out all the scratches and the swirls, and then a polish and a protectant that goes on after that.
How long of a process does it take?
Should usually take about probably 15 to 20 minutes per headlight.
What's the average going price that you charge people to do something like this?
For headlight restoration, I'm 40 bucks to do both.
Is that for any size vehicle, or is that for semis, trucks? I mean,
that would be anything from sedan up to a pickup truck.
Not too bad. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. That's Detail by D. I'll reach out to him. Guys, you should check this out. I think he just installed brand new headlights. He didn't actually do the work. Did you really do the work, Daryl? Yeah. I don't think you did.
Yes,
You're lying to us
did
right
the
now.
Work.
You're lying.
No, I ain't lying. Start
you guys
to finish.
believe this thing? You guys believe it? He's not wearing gloves, right? Nope. He just put that shit on. Look at that, guys. Brand spanking new. Other than it's so shiny you can actually see the LEDs in my garage on the lights. There you go, guys. Looks pretty badass. Thanks, Daryl.
No problem. You're welcome. Check out.
Black finish. I was about to wrap this thing in a high gloss black, but so they put carbon fiber in matte black. So matte black first, then carbon fiber. Like, what were they thinking? It's not like it's a roof or anything. You put multiple layers over top of it. I mean, look at this. This is garbage. But on the other side, hope you can't see that yet. Whoop. Sneak peek. Just kidding. This side, look at this, it's all, and this side's painted. So I think they were very confused at what they were trying to go or what they were trying to do, but you know, I gotta match it up. So yep, so I'm gonna fix this up real quick and start to show you guys the end result of this car right after this. All right, so I removed the matte black on there, and you can obviously tell by you looking at it yourself that previous person who tried to do this cut his paint. It is really not that hard to buy stuff to actually make it so you don't ruin someone's paint, because it costs lots of money. So simple enough. If you're not confident enough, even if you are confident enough, there's design line knifeless tape. There's also pinstriping knifeless tape, which is what I use to make my pinstripes right here. I'm not taking a chance of ruining someone's paint. You know how much money it costs to fix someone's paint job? I mean, come on. Just imagine you messing up on a Ferrari or Lamborghini, and just because you didn't take the extra time to spend $30 on knifeless tape, and guess what? You cut someone's car. And if the customer didn't know it was you that did do it, I mean, it could be on you, but I know for a fact I didn't do this, because obviously I do videos for a reason, to cover myself too. But you know, anybody can do something and mess it up. It only takes 5 minutes to click a button that says buy now on Amazon and have it sent to your house to save you millions of dollars. Shame on you, whoever did that. All right, I'm gonna put it back together and show you guys the end result. All right guys, welcome back. This is the end result of the Mazda RX8. It looks pretty cool. I wish the sun was a little bit higher so you can see the material, how it flexes. It's got like a gold pearl to it. It's got a purple, it's got some green in it, and some black. Just depends on how you look at it in the sunlight. But here you go, here's what it looks like. And on the next video, you're gonna see, I'm gonna do some work to the side of it too. So, but for the main part of this video is to show you guys the stripes of the end result of this. And then the next video, like I said again, will be the stripes on the side of it. It'll be a design that I'll show you guys what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and go from there. All right, here it is.